Okay students, next take sixth sum. Prove that the length of the latus rectum of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is 2b square by a. Find the length of the latus rectum 2b square by a is proved. Okay, then given the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then the latus rectum is x is equal to plus or minus ae, plus or minus ae. Then given one is the one value, other one value, that is one latus rectum is ae, another one latus rectum is ae, plus or minus. Okay, then first you take the positive, x is equal to ae, then substitute the value, the hyperbola equation, ae the whole square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. Then a square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. Okay, then a square cancel. The remaining e square the right hand side or left hand side. That value e square, that value negative, right hand side positive, y square by b square, then plus 1, left hand side minus 1. The divide value right hand side multiple, left hand side multiple. A square b square into e square minus 1 is equal to y square. Okay, e square into e square minus 1. Then already then one formula, use the one formula, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. That divide the multiple value right hand side divide is equal to e square minus 1. E square minus 1 value, then b square into y square equal to b square into e square minus 1 value, b square divided by a square. Okay, then b square into b square, b power 4. Okay, b power 4 divided by a square, that is y square. Then y is equal to square root of b power 4 divided by a square. Then y is equal to, then b power 4 plus or minus b square divided by a square root a. Okay, that is plus or minus. Then one value is the y, then left hand side is what one, this diagram right hand side only, then y b square by a, then left hand side the same. Okay, then addition of two value, then length of the latus rectum, the latus rectum is okay, the length of the latus rectum, therefore the length of the latus rectum equal to b square divided by a plus b square divided by a 2 times. Okay, then b square plus b square 2b square by a, that's all length of the latus rectum. Then sixth sum is over. The last one, third sum. The last one, seventh sum. So that the absolute value of difference of the focal distance of any point P on the hyperbola is the length of its transverse axis. Solution, the given on hyperbola, that is on hyperbola vertex, another one point is vertex, that point is S, focus, that point is S. Then focal distance of any point of B, the focal distance of any point of, okay, that is P, join the value, that is N. Okay, that point is A, that point is A dash, that point is S, that point is S dash. Okay, then another one, that value join the, that is x-axis, that is y-axis. Another one, then directories, any one is the directories, then draw the one value, same the another one is directories. The directories is z or z dash, okay, the directories, okay. That b is a join the one value, that directories touch the value, okay, that point is m, that point is m dash, okay. That's all. That point is C center. That is a diagram, okay. Then S is the focus, S is the focus, focal length, focus, okay. Then P is the point of the hyperbola, point of the hyperbola, okay. P is the point of the hyperbola. So prove that S dash B minus SB is equal to modulus of anyone, okay, is equal to 2a, that is transverse of axis. That is you to prove that, to prove, okay. Then first is the focus of formula, eccentricity formula. Then SP divided by PM is the SP, then focal length, distance of focal, SP divided by PM, then x-axis, that is condition of hyperbola, is equal to E, eccentricity, okay, ellipse. Then SB is equal to the divide value right hand side multiple PM, SB is equal to EPM. Then SB is equal to E into the PM, the PM and PM is equal to Cn, the diagram Cn or PM all both are equal, okay. Then Cm, PM is equal to, then Cn format, then Cn, okay, total length of Cn, then only the PM is the Zn, only the PM is equal, okay. PM is equal to Zn, that is only, then extra is the Cz, okay. Then SB is equal to E into Cn value, the C2n is the A or x-axis, okay. Then x-axis minus Cz, C is the directress formula A by E, okay. Then E is a multiple inside, SB is equal to, then E inside EX, then multiple E into A by E cancel, then E inside multiple E into X, EX, E into A by E cancel, then SB is equal to EX minus A, the same, okay, EX minus A. The same method SB dash, S dash is S dash and other same, again the B is the focal length B, okay. The same SB is equal to E PM dash M, okay. Then S dash B is equal to E into same CZ plus CN plus CZ opposite, okay. Then addition, then listen, S dash B is equal to E into the Cn is X, then C is E by E, A by E, then S dash B is equal to EX plus E into A by E, then cancel, then S dash B is equal to EX plus E cancel A, that is S dash B. Then you prove that S dash B minus SB, okay, is equal to S dash B EX plus A, then SB EX, then multiple minus EX, that is minus EX plus A, minus multiple minus EX plus A, then EX cancel, is equal to A plus A to A, that is S dash B minus SB. That's all. The seventh sum is to prove that S dash B, the same SB is the EX minus A, the same method S dash B is the EX plus A, the opposite, then S dash B minus SB is a subtraction, EX plus A, then multiple minus EX plus A, okay. Then ex cancel, a plus a 2a. That prove that, hence prove, that's all. Sum is over, that exercise is over.